So, I get a phone call on a Sunday afternoon, and it was a voice I didn't recognize. Inquired whether I was James Payne, and I said, "Who wants to know?" And then that voice said, "Did you used to be called Yank?" And it was a blast from the past. The fellow's name is actually Gingles. That's his real name, Jim Gingles. We worked together on a fishing bridge in 1964 and 65 during the summer seasons, taking people out fishing for cutthroat trout. Now, all the other employees of the park system were paid minimum wage of $1.25 or $1.15, I don't know, I think $1.25. But they subtracted 85 cents for room and board. That's what we all got. The guides got tips when the party would be purchasing the rental agreement. The clockman was our shill, and he would inform them that the guides always made $3 to $5. We were a clique. We had a song that we sang at parties. This is it. It's for you, Jingles. Boatman dance, boatman sing, boatman do most anything. Dance, boatman dance, dance, boatman dance. Dance only till the broad daylight, come home with the girls in the morning. Hey ho, boatman row, sail down the river of the Yellowstone. Hey ho, boatman row, sail down the river of the Yellowstone. I'm a guiding man alive, I always make 3 to 5. Dance, boatman dance, dance, boatman dance. Dance all night till the broad daylight, come home with the girls in the morning. Hey ho, boatman row, sail down the river of the Yellowstone. Hey ho, boatman row, sail down the river of the Yellowstone. I'm a boatman, gee, I'm sore, I came home without my oar. Dance, boatman dance, dance, boatman dance. Dance all night till the broad daylight, come home with the girls in the morning. Hey ho, boatman row, sail down the river of the Yellowstone. Hey ho, boatman row, sail down the river of the Yellowstone. There's one thing that I can't take, it's guide parties from Salt Lake. Dance, boatman dance, dance, boatman dance. Dance all night till the broad daylight, come home with the girls in the morning. Hey ho, boatman row, sail down the river of the Yellowstone. Hey ho, boatman row, sail down the river of the Yellowstone. This song could go on for 20 minutes, because we kind of adopted the hey lottie lottie style. So there's hundreds of verses, mostly personal insults. One more time.